Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's the part 2 of the previous unboxing I did, I believe from yesterday. Alright, that's garbage. So the first part of this was the Gambit coin that I got. I'll put this case away. So this was the first fidget I got from this package. It's pretty cool, I love this thing. If you guys want to watch the review and unboxing of this, check it out here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get a different like top for it. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside right now. And our main focus is on this thing right now. So when I first got into the fidget space, I saw this product and the other CP3s, CP5s, CP3 Nanos. I liked this one a lot. But yeah, and then I kind of fell out of love with it. I don't know why, but then now I finally got the chance to review it. And yeah, it is in the perfect color too. It is in Zirc and stainless steel, but it's in gold plated stainless steel. So yeah. And this is the Cp2. I'm just gonna break it up from right here. All right, here we go. Here it is. Number 74 out of 100. Cp2, blasted Zirc finish, gold middle. It is the exact color pattern of this thing. So this is polished Zirc, as where this is blasted zirconium. So yeah, excited to see what this feels like. All right, so first impressions, I love it. It's great. So if you guys don't know, the CP2 is 2 parts. This bottom part and this middle part is mechanical, as where this is magnetic. So it put the so Mackie also has a CP5, which is fully mechanical. It's like this, but like it's mechanical, like it doesn't come apart. So yeah, there's no magnets. Hopefully I can review that product in the future soon. But yeah, I really dig it so far. I really like it. I guess this bottom plate with the spring could be a little more tense. Maybe I can like modify it, change the springs or whatever. So yeah, definitely gonna look into that. But yeah, first impressions, I really love this thing. I would have thought it would have been too big in my hands, but it's not really. It's like just at the top of going over to the line of it being too big. So I can extend it fully and then close it. So yeah. It does have tape on it. You can also be kind of like quiet or like aggressive with the mechanical side. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I dig it. Now all I need is the mini CP3 Nano of this version in this colorway, and then a CP5 to complete my collection for the Mackie slider products. So yeah, I should be getting those soon. We'll see if I find any. But yeah, God, this thing's amazing. I did not think I would love this much. Yeah, this thing's amazing. I love it. I can just compare it to all the other CP3s, so you guys can watch the unboxing of this fidget right here. So at first I got the stainless steel version of the CP3, but I traded that later on, and then I got this thing, and then just now I unboxed the stone washed stainless steel. You guys can watch it right here. But yeah, this one by far has the strongest magnets. Love this thing. I'll never sell it. I'll never sell like any of these, I think. And then just now, also recently, I unboxed the Fuck Loudy and Mackie collaboration CP3. You guys can watch this one right here. But yeah, love this one too. It's amazing. And then this one, just added this to the collection. Love it. We'll be keeping it. I do gotta find a way to make the clicks on the mechanical side a bit more stiffer. So yeah, I'll make a video where I tune this thing if I find out how. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Comment which fidgets you guys want me to review next. Check out our channel sponsors down below. You guys get special discount codes. And yeah, that'll be all for today. See you guys.